Sounds from the gumdrop factory. Starting position, right hand on middle C position. Your first note is E. On your left hand, we start on low C. So here's my bass clef C, low C. Keep your left hand staccato throughout the song. On your major 5, your right hand will move up to F chord. Down, down, back to middle C. At the end, your left hand will have C sharp. So you have C, G, C sharp, G sharp, back to white key, sharps, and finish. Enjoying practicing the song? Please remember to subscribe and thank you for watching.